We are now waiting for our speedboat to cross to Ao Nang or whatever it's called.
Krabi.
Yeah, Krabi. We booked that the other day. How much was it? 20 quid each or something, 19 quid each. For something like that, an hour speedboat. It was either that or a ferry or a 6-hour drive on a car. I can't be asked for that.
Yeah, but this is only an hour on a speedboat.
Yeah, hour on a speedboat. None of us have been on one before, so we're both going to be sick probably.
We bought, what's that stuff? Show them that stuff.
You know, that green smelling stuff people do.
Apparently it helps with sickness.
Sniff out, yeah, like all the local Thais, they all just got their nose in this green thing. I don't even know what I put in my bag. These things. You sniff them and it's like sniffing Vicks. That's all it is. There you go. Apparently it helps with like headaches, seasickness and that. I don't even know if I'm going to be seasick. I don't think I've been on a boat longer than an hour. Not from right unless a ferry that drives at 3 miles an hour all the way across the sea. But yeah, we're catching our board in the ferry. We're just going to finish up editing the King Kong zipline one, which was the day after Grand Canyon, and then while we're doing that, then we're going to edit the Sticky Waterfalls and what was it? Sticky Waterfalls and Angel Cafe, or whatever it was.
Yeah,
with nice waterfalls and that was.
Do the bamboo,
yeah, we didn't do the bamboo rafting because of the weather. Absolutely hammered down the night before. So yeah, we'll see you when we're boarding the boat, and probably chuck a life vest on. We're walking up to our speedboat now. We'll bring Pink Brawley. Give us some 2 passes. It's quite easy. Like, we come an hour earlier. But obviously we're not docked, it's 1 o'clock, no, we're not docking for another half hour anyway. But we can jump on a speedboat, it's meant to be a mental ride, so.
They give you a sticker as well.
Yeah, with a sticker. So here we go now. Fuck it. That's what we're on. Crazy bat. Alright. Walking on now. Wow. I know.
They're like up in the air.
Hopefully we make it in one piece. Ah, whose stickers are yours, Kat?
Yeah.
Sorry, car.
Thank you.
Oh shit. There you go. Cheers, buddy. Thank you. Ah. Back at the back, be fucked. We'll fly off the back of the bloody thing. Go left there, yeah?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You want to go in here?
Mm.
I'd rather go back.
Go on then, go at the back.
Should I go? In case you get wet or something.
There we go now. Checked in. We're at the Moonlight Hotel, 30 quid, £7.50 a night between us, 15 quid. This is what we got, 15 quid each, 2 days. Wow, got all that. Yes, comfy ass bed. Wow, carrots behind me.
No!
We got outside then, mountain view, big ass palm tree. It was extra €1. For some, the boat was fine. We went to leave by 1:30. Everyone was on it by 5 past. So they just drove off. We just went because it was just nice and easy, quick. 45 minutes says an hour journey or like an hour and 20 journey, but it was 45 minutes. We got there before 5:02. Yeah, it was quick. So yeah, we're gonna go down the beach now anyway. See you in 5. Down by the beach in Krabi. Go. Whoa. It's nicer weather on this side. can. We're gonna go and try and find somewhere else so she can get her hair done. Because she's moaning about it having it in a bun like that all the time.
Yeah, because...
It's not fair.
Yeah.
So I just get out the shower and just go like that. And she has to do it all.
Yeah, but I'm not wearing makeup today.
You might want to search it on your phone.
No, I want to look around anyway.
Yeah, but it's going to be ages away because I haven't seen a single girl's salon or anything like that yet. Yeah, but even on the way down, girl. Get out of the muck. Them toes. Going on the pavement.
You want to go that side?
You want to go that side? Cross then. It's always tailor shops. I don't know why they want to come in and have a fucking suit in this degrees. 29 at the minute. It's boiling. That's why I got a fucking vest on. No, thank you. See, why do I want a suit? I got a vest and trousers on. But it feels nice, warmer. No, it feels cooler wearing the trousers. But I need to buy something that matches up, like a full. Grub earlier, just outside the hotel. It cost like £2. How much baht was it? 290. 290 baht.
390.
No, it weren't.
It was, because I paid it.
290.
390.
290.
I gave 300s and then I asked you for an extra 100. I don't know.
Oh. Game of pool now. Here we go. It's just thinking at the ball.
Oh, I
Sure
done
now.
it, I've done it.
Triangle. Okay.
Yeah. Well, this one in this chalk. I don't know. Let me have the one go there. Yeah. Are you meant to do that? Right.
Oh.
I'll try it this way.
Don't do it like that. Don't do it like that. No.
Ah, so close it was. Oh, I get it back.
Fucking hell, I was only drawing me with stuff just now. How?
Did you get two of mine?
So I game pool. I won. Then Keris missed about 300 shots in total. Train. But it's much nicer down here compared to
Krabi
Phuket.
is lovely and peaceful.
Phuket's a fucking shithole unless you're going out on the piss.
Unless you're a big drunker person.
Yeah, it's pointless going down there.
Who likes lady
Like,
boys.
the beach is hanging. Phuket
The beach is beautiful
Yeah,
down
the
here.
beach down there is mint, but Phuket's beach is not even nice. Literally go down there if you want
The
to
lady
swig
boy.
or ladyboy or whatever. They're everywhere. There's mad stuff down here though. It's like, what do they call it? It's like they're like not drag queens, but like they're all what?
Carnival.
Yeah, like carnival type girls
magic,
or
isn't it?
ladyboys. Yeah, all dressed up, trying to give you shit. But it's much nicer. Yeah, quiet there.
Prettier.
Yeah, it's nice, just nicer overall. Still serious amount of Asians, no, Indians. But they are flat out, yeah. Don't know where we're going now for some grub, I think. I don't know.
Night market.
Night market. Sue and Five Rather than care.
This twist potato.
Just potatoes. It looks like that.
Yeah, I gotta
Don't
try
know what
it.
one. We'll just grab some street food.
Loads of options. And it's cheaper just to get different platters.
Not even it's cheaper, just some of it tastes mint as well. It's like a miniature market. Little stalls just out the front, just off. There's loads of people around there, but just tiny like. Only goes on a little bit. Beach day tomorrow.
Yeah. Corn dog.
I'm gonna have to have whatever.
Funny lads boiling.
Is it?
Smell it all.
Smells like crisps, warm crisps. There you go now.
Where people get these? Barbecue I got. Oh, if you could smell it through the camera.
It smells insane. It does smell insane. Insane, that's not even good.
Yeah, you can sort of see. But we're down the beach in the night, lovely vibes. We just seen a homeless man and a little boy, and they were sleeping behind a bench. Oh my god, when they got dirty.
Yeah, stinking.
We said to him, do you want any food? So we got him two, what are they called? Chicken and rice pad thai things. Warmed them up for him in 7-Eleven, and the little boy wanted Mentos, didn't he, for some reason?
Yeah.
And we give him a big bottle of water. But I just felt a bit sorry for him. I couldn't just go past and not say, do you want anything to eat? But anyway, we're walking now down to the beach, Crabby Beach, and it's so peaceful and lovely.
Yep. Just been trekking and we've ended up down here. The Muay Thai boxing stadium's there. This is just rave. Fire show. Fuck it, no. We'll have a look and see where we stay.
That was a lovely night market. That's probably my favourite one so far. It got everything. It got all the food markets, all clothes, jewellery, all that, and
Muay Thai,
and the fire show as well. But we're going home now because we want to get up early in the morning, and if we go home late again, I won't get up.
No, she won't get up anyway.
No.
Got 3 minutes now for our grab.
Yeah.
88 baht,
So good night from
90 pence.
and Karen. We will see you tomorrow.
For a 6-minute journey or a... Yeah, good night. See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.
I'll paddle.
How am I meant to record then?
Behind the bus.
Right, we want right is to turn. Right, we want to go around that. We need to go left now. A lot of lefts. Okay?
No, I know how to steer, guy. I can drive for you. That's right there.
Look at this, like.
Oh, see. Unreal. This is so relaxing. Catch a hell of a tan, but yeah. Garen's doing all the work. New Gar? Oh yeah, he loves it, but
I've been 2 minutes. My legs are in bits for some reason. Oh, I'm going to use my legs. No back support.
Oh, shut up, like. So I gotta do it all by myself now. Oh, it's hard without the back person. Oh, that's better. We're on a kayak in Crabby. Look at the view that we are at. Unreal and peaceful. Oh, stunning. Might have to get in. It's bloody boiling. Isn't it? Oh, go on. How much peace are you having?
None. My legs are killing me, man.
You're just doing all the work and I just sit here looking, buzzing in the flies. Shit. That's what the water really looks like.
Oh, fuck. You meant to tell us, is this in front?
Oh, shit. Hang on now. Oh, I'm getting soaked by you. I'm soaking, you.
No.
Ah, you're doing it on purpose.
No,
look
it's
at the
not.
way. Look at that. Look at the way it's going like this.
Yeah, it's called fucking rolling.
Yeah, but you're not meant to please splash it. Oh, God.
What?
I'm gonna tip this boat upside down.
How am I meant to do it then without splashing it?
Wait.
Come on, you're meant to say there's a tree.
Whoa. You can see the tree is massive. The tree.
Oh, shit.
Splash me again. We're on a tree.
Why didn't you say that? Oh, for fuck's sake. Now we're beasts,
Oh,
girl.
we're literally on the rock, on the step, in the middle of crab. Oh God, 50 times I've been soaked in the fish.
Still on it, like.
No, I'm on it. Spinning now.
Put your hand on that rock.
Come back, my hand on the rock.
Go, push us off.
I can't push
No,
it
wrong
off. I'm so.
Put your hand on the rock, push us off.
Oh yeah, like is it making it ever? We built the rock.
Yeah, so you push us off with a boat off the rock.
Oh.
No, backwards you want to do that. 1, 2, 3, backwards. 1, 2, 3, backwards. Oh.
There's the. It's because you're going too fast.
It's not.
It is. You need to go too fast.
No, wrong way. You're doing it against me.
You need to go around you. Oh, so relaxing, like. Oh, they're stuck. Look at them too. £50 per person. Baht, sorry, to go to the national park. So it's on a kayak, so it's so peaceful. But it just really hurt your arm.
My back's killing me. Back was 100% today.
You like it? Look how peaceful it is. Go on, Gary.
Bonjour.
Sing me a song. If you
Je
want to play.
m'appelle.
Do dee 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 da da. Oh! What? Fucking hell, like. I know, but you just smacked my head. What do you want me to react like? Look at him, his back's killing him. The water's freezing. Oh God, it is hard work doing this though. It's really, really hard work because your arm's too weak and his back is hurting him. What have we got to say, girl?
Back's killing me, but.
Who are you talking to this bat?
You. Just been chilling over here.
Peaceful.
In the middle of the jungle. Probably battered Keris about 6 times with a bat, drenched her 3 times.
You whacked. No, you peddled.
I'm just number 1 rower, like, and then it just, her head gets in the way, so it just gets clout. Oh.
You saying I got a big head?
Yeah.
Have you seen your head?
Fuck it, yeah. Yep, but we're going to try and roll back through all the chaos now. We've just jammed there, so we'll see when we're out.
Okay. What we've been waiting for. And can you see the fish in the water? Can you see them?
No. Well, I'm not paddling and you've just crashed us.
Oh, shit, I don't think how many times you smashed it.
I'm going to go underwater.
Around, man.
Cold.
Oh, she's taking a picture of you.
See my little ginky now under the water, like. Little shrinky.
Oh, I can see it.
Someone out of Vinci.
at how I can see the pee coming out of it. It's just disgusting. Garen's literally having a pee in the water. You want to make sure no one sees you, Gar. You're not coming on this boat, pissy pants.
Whoa.
Oh!
No, you can't.
Is that better though?
Yeah.
How much?
Roll for another hour.
Well, not an hour. We're officially stuck on this rock, right? And guess whose fault it is? Garen's.
Come on.
Because he wanted to do a competition.
How fast did we go?
Fast.
Fucking flying.
But now we're just stuck.
On the beach now.
Whose fault is it? Yours. Goodbye. When she said, this is a fish spa, so I've had my feet under it, but I took it out because a whole massive fish sucked on my little toe. But Garen's loving it because he got athlete's foot.
Oh, they shredded my left foot.
And she also gave us watermelon as well, which is really stunning.
That's the name
Fair
of the
play
place.
to her. Yeah. Krabi exclusive kayak nature view. How do you feel, girl?
Like they've got clean toes.
Oh, well, they're not clean because you're putting them in fish. It's just they get the dead skin off, is all. Not clean. Gotta wash your feet after you put them in it.
Yeah, but I can't hold it on the quad anyway.
Oh,
Going on quads now after kayaking. 1,300 baht each.
45
25
minutes.
quid. 45 minutes.
Yeah, it is a viewpoint, isn't it?
Oh, locker. Where's the locker there? There we are. Yeah, nice viewpoint at the end of this one.
I look like
You
a
have a look.
picture.
Yeah. Put it on your head proper, or can't you?
It is on my head.
It's not.
proper.
It's wheeling. Some quads now. Okay. She's over there adjusting her helmet. Okay, do you have photo now? Down it off. Don't even. Just the camera just looks shit.
You might go on the GoPro.
Wow, it's mad.
Flies on me.
It's all whips. Set the quads up so we can have a photo over there now. You good?
Yeah.
You doing good today? We're gonna give it off, so
Look at my
We're on the
name on the
board.
telly.
there's his name on the telly.
Yes, that daddy.
Scoreboard now. But he's crap at math. So he keeps asking him to reassure the numbers. And facial set.
Yeah. Oh, God.
Yeah, that's when we picked the numbers.
Yeah, he did. Yeah.
Who's won?
You.
Oh, again! Loser! How does it feel being a loser?
Twice. Now we do my head in.
Now,